Hello everyone, welcome to the Busy Vegan Mom. Today I am going to show you how this total vegan brownie fail turned into a complete and total win. But first, before I do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration. This past weekend was my oldest daughter's 12th birthday, so I thought, why not try to make some vegan brownies, or veganize some brownies, if you will. This is a Birch Benders brand. Now, it says keto on the package. I am not keto. In no way am I saying that that's something that I follow. It just so happens this was a brand of brownie mix that didn't have any animal products in it. So don't pay attention to the part that says keto. Just don't even pay attention to that. So I thought, well, if this recipe calls for eggs and it calls for oil, I'm going to look up what some replacements might be. So I found that you could make eggs out of applesauce by measuring 1/4 of a cup per egg. And then you can replace oil with applesauce. And so I do not know the science to baking. I know there's a science to it, and I know the gurus out there will know. And if you do, please send some help my way. Okay. So I just mixed together this very vegan-friendly and wholesome ingredients that made up this brownie mix. I mixed it together with the non-GMO unsweetened applesauce. So I think it was an almond base, actually. So, this mix was very, very wholesome, nothing bad in it. And so I just really liked the idea that these were going to be whole food, plant-based brownies, right? No oil, none of the bad stuff. The batter was very good, very tasty, very simple to mix up. And I think the bag, it was only $6 and some change, which I thought was fairly decent, or pretty fairly priced. We just goofed off in the kitchen, wait for these brownies. Once we put them in the oven, we were just waiting for them to bake. It was about 30 minutes or so. And of course, Berkeley had to get into the batter. And this is what they looked like once they came out. So it looks like, okay, here's some brownies, right? But when I actually went to cut into them, yes, I'm using a baby spoon to cut into the brownies. They were still a little bit battery. Was that even a word? Battery-ish? Batter, I don't know. And so I had to do something different, right? I am in no way was not going to let these go to waste. So I blended up some frozen bananas and made some banana ice cream. And we had the most loveliest brownie batter with ice cream, or nice cream, if you will. So literal brownie batter, but it's cooked a little bit, right? And then It was really good. My oldest daughter thinks I'm ridiculous for eating something like this, but I'm not going to waste it, and it was delightful. And get this, the next day I was able to utilize this further and take this brownie batter mix and actually put it on Berkeley's toast. Here's these really cute Halloween plates that I found. So yeah, got a knife, got it out after storing it overnight, and spread this out on some multi-grain toast. It was kind of how there's hummus that's chocolate. It was similar, but imagine brownie batter spread. How cool is that? It was really good. I actually had a piece of toast as well with this brownie batter spread on it, and it was good. So this epic brownie fail turned into a win, and it was so good. So I would love some help. What do you guys use for baking? When it comes to vegan baking, it's really confusing to me. I've used the flax eggs before. I just don't know how to get it to not be in a batter consistency still. So if you've got some suggestions, send them my way. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I do post every Monday and Friday. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant-based inspiration, and we will see you guys next time.